When multiplying integers, the result can be either positive or negative. If you multiply two positive integers together, the result will be positive. But if you multiply a positive and a negative integer together, you're going to get a negative. If you multiply a negative and a negative, those two negative signs will cancel each other out and you'll end up with a positive. Let's look at an example. Here we're supposed to multiply each pair of numbers. In part A we have negative 8 times 9. That's a negative times a positive, so we know that our result is going to be negative. 8 times 9 is 72, so we'll have 72. So we have negative 72 as our final answer. With 5 times 7, both of those are positive, so our answer is going to be positive 35. Now we have negative 2 times negative 12. This means our answer is going to be positive because this is a negative times a negative. So we'll take 2 times 12, which gives us 24. In this example, we have multiple integers that we need to multiply together. We can do this in any order we want. So let's start with the negative 3 times the 2. This is a negative times a positive, so our result is going to be a negative number. And then we have 3 times 2, which gives us 6. Now let's multiply the second pair together. We have negative 1 times 5, and this is going to give us negative 5. So we have negative 6 times negative 5. Now when we take these two and multiply them together, that's a negative times a negative, and so this is going to give us a positive 30. Now let's look at the second one. Let's start and multiply these two together. So we have negative 2 times negative 6. That will give us positive 12. Now we have 12 times negative 7. We're just bringing that second number down. And now we have 12 times negative 7. That's a negative times a positive. And so this is going to give us a negative number. And 12 times 7 is 84.